welcome to the channel. Today we have a battery replacement for, as you can see, this is a B8 remote. This is for a 2013 Audi Q5, I guess 3.0 Supercharged, and this is for the B8 platform. So once again, we have to release the physical key from the remote, and you'll see that there is a tab here that you have to depress, while I think you're depressing the back tab. And so you hold, squeeze, hold, and probably, ooh, that's tight. So we're gonna try to jimmy it to the side a little bit, back and forth. This probably needs cleaning. As you can see, it's a bit dirty. I don't know if you can see that properly. It's a bit dirty. So dust has gotten into, or in between. Okay, so managed to finally loosen it, and we're just gonna pull it apart, and there's a key. And you can see there's dirt there and around the washer. Yep, so that's how you remove it, and you take the old battery out. And this actually uses the 2032 battery, button battery. So we're gonna get that replaced. And you replace it with the terminal side up, or with this side up. And then reverse. We slide it back in. Actually, I was gonna clean it. Do that real quick. All right, so now that we've cleaned it, snap that back into place. You can see that the cleaning actually helped. It's easier to slide it back out. Just hold it, squeeze it, pinch it, it releases the clip. So much more easier. So maybe after pulling it, you might want to clean it. That helped. And that's it. All back together. As I said, this is for a 2013 Audi Q5, the B8. That's it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a like, and thank you for the support. Peace.